When GST returns continuously be updated, now it is mandatory to provide HSN details and document summary in the GST return. The values given in this return will be validated with the other details which you have given in your GST return. The question is, why is this HSN and document summary being given so much importance? So welcome to our channel Tax and Beyond with Shilpa. Here in this videos, we'll be sharing certain tax insights and would love to have your opinion on them. Coming back to our question, why this topic or the HSN and a document summary is given so much importance in the returns? So my personal view is that these details actually are required by the government to identify which sector has given how much revenue. So this might be one of the intentions to make it mandatory so that they get correct information from the taxpayer itself. Second intention for the document summary would be to ensure that all the invoices which you have raised are captured in the GST. Nothing is missed out. So that everything is coming under the GST lens. May it be taxable, may it be non-taxable, may it be exempt. Everything is being specified under the GST 1 return. People generally skip out or miss out to specify details which are exempt or non-taxable. With everything being covered under the document summary, that will help later on the GST department to cross-check whether entire income has been shown in the GST return or not.